Hello friends, welcome. Uh, Today we are going to talk about transition effect between two or more scenes, or we can say videos. So let's see practically how to insert transition effect between two or more scenes. So let's open our editor and let's import two videos here. Let's add one image here. Let's drag them. Select, hold the mouse, and just drag them over here. We can see here they all are in timeline area. Now if I click play button, then we can see that there is no transition effect between one and second video. If I go to 1 minute 50 seconds, then there is we can see actually there is no transition effect. There is no, but suppose we want to have that. So how to have that? Just you press plus symbol here, and what type of transition effect you want to have there: cross zoom, fade to white, dissolve, paste on. So you can use anyone, scissors, zoom in, zoom out, etc. So let's use one. Suppose paste on. Let's use paste on here. And after that, if I play once again, look the output. So actually, let's use dissolve. Let's we can see the dissolve effect. Similarly, we can use paste on, etc. So you can apply any other effect whichever you want here from here. If you want none, then just press none. It's very simple. I think you understood how to use the transition effect between two or more scenes. Thank you guys for your time. Take care. Goodbye. And next session we'll be talking uh, some more information of this editor. Till then, goodbye.